हाय। हम लोगों ने लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के बारे में बहुत सुन रखा है। इट इज़ लाइक वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट यू कैन अट्रैक्ट by imagination and something like that. But how does it work scientifically? I mean, and yes, everybody can have their own opinion about it, no doubt. The way I think it is like everybody has got its own natural frequency, like something like radio, and whatever frequency you are tuned in, you will attract the same. Whatever one has got in his life, it is a result of his vibrations. It doesn't matter how good or bad or how pure or impure your vibrations are. Your surroundings and your friends, especially your friends, are a product of it. And if you are keen to get get something better, you should try to think and explore to what frequencies you can go to, what how much pure you can make your natural frequency, and that should be in line with the divine frequency. This universe, I think it is filled with a lot of frequencies, with almost infinite frequencies we have in our surroundings, and it is a matter of vibration of our own frequency that will get resonated with. It is just my opinion. Everybody can have their own, and I would like to share it. It might be wrong, it might be correct as well. I do not know about it. Every moment, I feel that every moment there are infinite things that are offered to us by the nature, and we actually miss it because the aperture of our consciousness is so much narrow that we tend to overlook every single opportunity that is there with us, because we are lost somewhere. I think we have actually lost the connection that we should all naturally have, the connection with the nature itself, like these trees, the sky, and everything that is connected to us, because actually we as human beings are an integrated form of the elements of universe. So basically it is our reality. We are not anything that is apart from this nature, and we should see ourselves as an integrated part of the universe. So when you try to establish a connection between yourself and the nature, ultimately you will find what is your natural frequency, and you have to make it very very sharp. It is like the synchronization of ourselves with the universe and the nature. The more you understand it, the more deeper you'll get it. The more deeper you will get into it, and it will seem still more deep. It is like that.